Hello my dear students and welcome back again. Today I am going to start class 7th English grammar textbook chapter 14 and that is reported speech. When do we use reported speech? Sometimes someone says a sentence like we use a reporting verb like say or tell. In order to report the speaker's words indirectly, the following changes are made. Suitable changes are made in a personal noun. The present form of the verb is changed into the past form like is am changed into the was were. Do does change into the date, has have change into the had, will, would, can, could, go, went, like, liked, want, wanted. The past form is changed into the past perfect and plus had plus V3 but it can remain unchanged also. We said in the direct speech and we said in the indirect speech. We use in indirect speech said or told plus object. Now here is the exercise. Exercise 14.1. Question number first is rewrite in reported speech using the given reporting verb. First one is he said to me shut the door and we can change into as a reporting verb and the correct sentence is he asked me to shut the door. Second, he said to the beggar go away. In bracket we have a clue ask, so we write he asked the beggar to go away. Third, my father said to me trust in God. My father advised me to trust in God. Fourth, she said to me come to my house. She invited me to come to her house. Fifth, she said to him don't disturb me. In bracket we have a clue request. She requested him not to disturb her. Sixth, I said to Mohan, don't come here again. In bracket we have clue told and the answer is he told me to polish my shoes myself. 8. They said to her, please sing a song and the answer is they requested her to sing a song. Next, I said to Misha, leave the key on the table and the answer is I told Misha to leave the keys on the table. 10th, mother said to me, don't go out in the rain. Mother advised me not to go out in the rain. My father said to me, don't waste your time. My father advised me not to waste my time. 12th, he said to his servant, clean my table at once. He ordered his servant to clean his table at once. 13th, she said to me, please lend me some money. She requested me to lend her some money. 14. The boy said to his father, forgive me this time. The boy requested his father to forgive him that time. My dear student, do this question in your notebook. Now we have exercise 14.2. Put in said or told. My dear student, you can put said or told in each blank according to the sentence. So let's start. Exercise 14.2. Put in said or told. In this exercise, we put said or told in each blanks. First one is he said that he was very tired. Second, Anu asked me that she didn't like Anita and the correct answer is told. Third, Tony told me that he was going home. Fourth, Jen told your mother that you were ill. Fifth, Ritu said that she would help her friends. Sixth, the old lady said that she was very unhappy. My dear student, do this question in your book. Now we have question number 2 of this exercise. Put the following into the reported speech. We change into the reported speech. First one is he said truth always win and the correct sentence is he said that truth always win. Second, my friend said I never tells lie and the answer is my friend said that he never tells lie. Third, Mohan said I was ill yesterday. Mohan said that he had been ill the previous day. My dear students, we use had plus been because we change V2 into the had plus V3. Whenever we change the past, so we use had plus V3. So we take had been and we change some nearest words generally into a distant words like previous day. Yesterday change into the previous day, ago change into the before, next week change into the following week, last night change into the previous night, tomorrow change into the next day, these change into the those whenever we change the sentence into the reported speech. Fourth, the priest said, God's help all his men. The priest said that God helps all his men. Fifth, I said to her, Mohan met me last week. I told her that Mohan had met me the previous week. Again, we change V2 into the had plus V3 because we know that the met is the second form and it means it is the past tense. So we change verb second into had plus V3. So we use had plus met. And we also change last week into the previous week. Babita said, I saw Rishu 5 minutes ago. Babita said that she had seen Rishu 5 minutes before. We change ago into the before. Seventh, he said to me, you are wasting your time. He told me that I was wasting my time. Eighth, Meena said to Arun, I need your help today. Meena told Arun that she needed his help that day. Ninth, he said to her, I shall go to Delhi tomorrow. He told her that he would go to Delhi the next day. My dear student, the rest of the questions you have to do yourself and do these questions in your notebook. Now, we have exercise 14.3. Put each sentence into reported speech. We can change the sentence into the reported speech. So, first one is, he said to me, what is your name? So, my dear students, whenever reporting speech as a WH questions, WH means WH family question like what, where, whose, whom and how. When a WH question is changed into a simple statement in the reported speech, the verb is placed after the subject. The WH words like who, what, how, when, where, why, which serves as a linking verb. Linking verb means that words which connect the two sentences, which link the two sentences. The verb said is changed into the asked. First one is, he said to me, what is your name? This is WH questions reporting. So we change said into the asked. So the correct sentence is, he asked me what my name was. My dear student, I told you the verb is placed after the subject. So we use was and the subject is name. Second, my sister said to me, why are you so sad? My sister asked me, why was so sad? Third, I said to her, what are you thinking about? I asked her what she was thinking about. Fourth, my father said to me, where are you going? My father asked me where I was going. She said to her brother, which pen is yours? She asked her brother which pen was his. Sixth, the old man said, where is my walking stick? The old man asked where his walking stick was. Seventh, I said to her, where are you living these days? I asked her where she was living those days. Eighth, the teacher said to her, how did you do that? The teacher asked her how she had done that. My dear student, the rest of the question you have to do yourself and do this question in your notebook. Now we have B part of this exercise and the first this question is, he said to her, is it raining outside? And the answer is, he asked her if where it was raining outside because it belongs to the WH question. So we take where. All rules for yes or no questions are the same as for WH questions only. We use if or whether as a linking words. The linking words is if or whether. Second, I said to her, do you want my help? I asked her whether she wanted my help. Third, Misa said to me, do I look very tall? Misa asked me if whether she looked very tall. My dear students, you can omit the bracket words like if, whether, where. Next one is, I said to her, have you lost your pen? I asked her whether she had lost her pen. Fifth, the girls said, are these prizes for us? The girls asked if where those prizes were for them. Sixth, he said to me, can you hear that noise? He asked me whether I could hear that noise. My dear student, the rest of the questions you have to do yourself and do these questions in your notebook. My dear students, that's all about this chapter. I hope you all understand this chapter very well. Thank you so much.